Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on the Alo Yoga Tennis Club Sweater Knit Bra and Skirt, as well as the Tennis Club Sweater Knit Cardigan in both the ivory and the black colorways. So this is a new release from Alo Yoga, and when I looked at this on the website, it actually looks like the black is part of their core collection, whereas the ivory is part of a limited edition run. Now, having tried on a few other Alo Yoga tennis skirts, which you can find unboxed and tried on this channel, I had an impression of what these tennis skirts would feel like. They did end up having the same little shorts underneath with a side pocket, which I was pleased to see, and no external pockets, which is mostly in line with the other ones that I've tried on. Now, the sports bra is actually unlined and it's just the knit fabric, so that was interesting and unexpected. I do have a better close-up video of the ivory set when we try that on, so you can really see how thin and kind of minimal the top is. Overall, I really liked this set and I liked it a lot more than I thought I would. Now, they didn't have my size in the cardigan in the black colorway, so I did try it on in this ivory. And of course, keep in mind that you do also have an option of grabbing a pullover without the button down in the same cardigan to match. Nonetheless, I wanted to try it on with this black set, which we tried on first, and overall, I liked the vibe. I definitely don't think that they go together, but we did try it on with the white set, so let's go ahead and take a look. All right, so getting a closer look of the white set off the hanger, we can really see the detail of the fabric here. Specifically in the bra that I mentioned is just not lined, which I don't really appreciate, especially because this is the white colorway, and once I put it on, I did notice it was a little see-through, so it does kind of limit how and where you can wear the white. Now, I did think that both of these colorways were really cute, and I do really like how they feel, but I do have a concern about the top being crop and specifically unlined, as it may limit how and where I can wear this due to some clubs' dress guidelines. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.